Hey Nick, Uncle Joel here. This is Uncle Joel's new truck. It's a 2015 Cascadia Evolution. You can probably hear the wind blowing. 5 1/4 Detroit automatic. Big bush bumper on the front. Walk around the side. Stand back a little bit. This thing is big. Fifth wheel where we hook up. Has some air lines and that in the back. And we'll get inside. Oh look, there's no clutch pedal, just 2 pedals, brake and the gas. So, sitting in, there's the gear shifter. Tilt my steering wheel down. Got some gauges, stereo, satellite radio, some box, I don't know what that's for. Yeah, cup holder. CB is not in there yet, but I'll take care of that. Some of my crap in here. Oh, get into the back, the sleeper. Take the shoes off. And storage. Open that up. I don't know. Put some stuff in there. I already got some stuff in there. Oh, there's my fridge. Oh, somebody's water bottle. Must be Ike's. Water bottle. I'll put my clothes up. Door to the outside. There's a bed. This thing here, you just turn, and then the bed just folds on down like that. Oh, I'll just leave that up. Come on, ready? There we go. There's my bed, my foamy on top, laptop sitting there, and more storage all the way up. Oh, there's where all the manuals for the thing are. Hanging cabinet, I think. Yeah. Something. Anyway, yeah, there you go. Quick little tour of Uncle Joel's new truck, and we'll see you soon. I think we're still planning on coming out for Colton's graduation, so anyway, talk to you later.